Okay, Assalamualaikum. A very good day. Okay, untuk hari ini kita cover topik untuk mikroskop. Okay, we talk a little bit about history. Okay, Hans and Zacharias Janssen of Holland in the 1590s created the first compound microscope. Anthony van Leeuwenhoek and Robert Hooke made improvement by working on the lenses. Kantar ya. Okay, Antoine van Leeuwenhoek is the first to see a single cell organism in a pond of water. Okay. Okay, history of the microscope itself. 1590, first compound microscope is founded. Nah, ni dia macam yang Jack Sparrow punya tu. Okay. Okay, later on 1655, Robert Hooke used a compound microscope to observe pores in cork. Dia tengok yang mikroskop tadi tu yang single cooler tu, unicolor tu. Dia tengok dekat bawah. Sorry, dia observe dekat cork. Apa nama cork ni? Gabus. Dia nampak dia punya lubang-lubang ni. Dia nampak yang ni Okay. Okay, next. He called them as cells. Dia inilah yang keluarkan katakan ni cells. Okay. Okay, ni rupa dia kot itulah. Ini the first microscope. Okay. Now we move to how a microscope works. It's a convex lenses, a curved glass used to make microscope and glasses. Ni kanta dia lah, kata cembung lah. Macam kita punya ni lah, cermin mata. Mesti cembung. Kalau cekung dia tak memfokus. Kalau cekung dia akan jadi macam saya tulis. Bila dia macam ni, bentuk convex macam ni, all the image ni dia akan jadi fokus macam ni. Fokus macam ni, kat sini fokus. Kalau kita ambil yang curve, kalau convex, betul. Kalau macam ni, kalau yang jadi macam ni, akan mengembangkan image, dia tak fokus lah. Okay, so dia guna yang cembung macam ni. Okay, now we move to the parts of the microscopes. Okay, as you can see here, okay, first we got ocular lens. Ocular lens kat sini lah. Tapi mikroskop kita sekarang ni semua ada dua lah. Kita panggil binocular. Yang eyepiece ni kita panggil ocular lens. Dia punya magnifying power dia lah 10 times each. 10 times yang ni. Okay. Okay, ini objective lens. Ni sini ada 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, first lens usually is 4 times. Second lens is 10 times. Okay, next is 40. And the highest lens, objective lens is 100 times. Okay, the function is to gather light, magnifies and focuses image on inside body tube. Okay, ni body tube lah sini. Dalam ni body tube. Ni body tube. Okay. Okay, the objective lenses magnifies and focus the image inside the body tube, and the ocular convex lens of microscope magnifies it again. Maksud dia sekarang ni, yang dekat sini dia akan fokus image kat sini. Dia ada slide kat sini. So bila kita tengok kat sini, dia akan sini dia dah magnify, katakan kita ambil lens 10 kan. Okay, sini dia dah magnify 10 times value lens ni. Bila kita tengok kat sini pula, dia akan magnify another 10 times. So total dia akan jadi 100 times. Kalau tengok dekat objektif yang lens objektif yang 100 times ni, jadi 100 times garap dengan 10 times sama dengan 1000 modification. Tu maksud dia lah. Yang ni 10, yang ini 4, 10, 40, 100, depending on which lenses that you're using. Okay. Next is parts of microscope. Okay, you can see here. At the top is an ocular lens, as I said before, or we said it's eyepiece. Got 2, 1. Okay, ni diopter adjustment. Kat sini nampak benda ni kan? Yang benda ni kita boleh adjust dia untuk clearkan dia lah, dia punya bukan brightness, dia punya fine focus. Macam ni lah. Okay, ni head, dalam dia ada prism lah. Kalau tengok dalam dia ada prism yang macam bentuk macam ni. So bila kita tengok kat sini, dia akan ke sini gitu. Macam itulah. Okay, ni nose piece that hold the objective lenses. Ni objective lenses lah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ni common yang kita gunalah. Yang saya cakap tadi apa? Ada 4 times. 4 times lagi. Ada 10 times. You got 40 times. And the highest is 100 times. Okay, this is a stage clip. Ni stage clip to hold the slide here. Stage clip. Aperture ni dia macam yang apa nama? Macam yang tempat cahaya situ. Diaphragm ni tempat kontrol cahaya. Ni diaphragm, tempat kontrol cahaya. So we can adjust je lah. Kat sini kita kalau yang latest ni kita akan ada dia punya reference value numbers di situ. If you are using 4 times objective, we can adjust the the knob here to the 4 times. So it will adjust the amount of light that going through this diaphragm. So we will have a good sufficient amount of light when we observe the slide. Okay, illuminator ni tempat cahaya lah, the light sources. Kalau you ingat masa you dekat sekolah menengah dulu, kita pakai yang light Microscope kan, kat sini ada cermin kan. Yang latest ni kita pakai LED lah. Okay, we move to this side. Okay, this is arm for carrying handle. Okay, it's yang ni medical stages. Yang ni yang platform segi 4 ni is a medical stages, stage. So you can adjust up and down from here by using this knob. Okay, cost adjustment is here. Want to do the focus adjustment, focusing the cells. Okay, fine adjustment, you focusing, fine tuning by focusing. Okay, ni stage control. You nak gerak-gerakkan stage ni. Ni base brightness adjustment, lampu lah, lampu yang effect kat sini, and light switch on off. Okay, ni body tube. Kita tengok tadi lah. The body tube holds the objective lenses and the ocular lens at the proper distance. Okay, nose piece. The nose piece holds the objective lenses and can be and can be turned to increase the magnification. Boleh pusing kat sini lah. Okay, objective lenses, saya cakap tadi lah, ada 10, 40, 100. Yang paling kecil 4 lah. Okay, stage clips. Ni these 2 clips hold the slide in place on the stage. Dia ada yang clips. Clip maksud dia you slide bawah clip ni. Dia melekat lah. Macam yang dekat lab punya, dia jenis yang macam kepit. Sama je function dia. To hold the slide, sama function dia. Okay, diaphragm. The diaphragm controls the amount of light on the slide. Ni light masuk sini lah. Okay. Okay, light source projects light upwards through the diaphragm, the specimen and the lenses. Some have lights, other have mirrors, where you must move the mirrors to reflect light. Ni sekarang kita pakai lights lah. So kat sini lah. So ocular lens magnifies the specimen image. Dia lagi membantu magnifying at 10 times. But each ni ada 10 kali dia punya magnifying power dia. Okay, arms used to support the microscope when carried, holds the body tube, nose piece and objective lenses. Dia pegang. Okay, stage sama juga ni. Cost adjustment, ni memang function dia untuk adjust. Bila you tengok slide kat sini, you nak first thing you kena cari cell yang you nak tu. So you kena guna cost adjustment ni untuk cari which parts of slide which part of cells on the slide you want to identify. Once you dah dapat tempat yang you nak tu, you dah nampak, nak bagi dia lagi sharp, lagi fokus cantik, you pakai fine adjustment knob. Nampaknya sama tapi kat luar ni. Pusing-pusing sikit-sikit, you akan nampak lebih clear the shape of the cells, the nucleus itself, the cytoplasm. You using only the fine adjustment. Kalau nak mencari from blur to something, you use cost yang besar ni. Okay, once you dah nampak dah the blurry ataupun nampak dah something, then you use fine adjustment ni. Sebab apa? Kalau you still using the cost adjustment ni, dia risau sebab apa tau? Takut lens ni terlanggar slide tu, macam dia macam over downward ke bawah. Bila dah over, takut slide tu pecah. Sebab tu kita kena pakai fine adjustment knob. Okay, base tapak dia lah. Okay, support the microscope magnification. Saya cakap tadi lah, sama lah. Ocular lens is 10 times, objektif kita ada 40. So 10 times by 40 is 400. So the cells, meaning that cells is 400 times larger bila you observe lah. Okay, you kena ingat dekat ocular lens tu, yang dua tu kat mata tu 10 times. Sorry. Ingat objective lens ni. Okay, procedure using a microscope. Start on the lowest magnification. Don't use the cost adjustment knob on high magnification, you'll break the slide. Place light on stage and lock clips. Adjust light source. Use fine adjustment to focus. Okay, ni baca lah. Sorry. Your microscope has three magnification which are scanning, low and high. Scanning ni biasa pakai at the 4 times lah. 4 times and 10 times. You scan dulu, you dah nampak scan. Maksud dia you tengok secara overview slide tu, cell tu. Then you nampak tempat yang you nak, contohnya nak tengok sel merah yang rosak. So you nampak, baru you fokus kat tempat. You gerakkan stick gerak kat tempat tu. Okay, each objective has its magnification level. In addition to his, the ocular eyepiece has magnification of 10 times. 10 times to calculate total magnification, multiply the ocular objective. Okay, focusing a specimen. Always start with the scanning objective. 4 times or 10 times objective. Place your specimen in the center of your field of view. Use the cost knob to focus. Next, the fine knob until clear. Once you have focused on scanning, switch to low power. Repeat step 3 to 4. Now switch to the power. At this point, only use the fine adjustment knob. Okay, this is troubleshooting. If the image is too dark, you must adjust the diaphragm. Make sure light is on. Diaphragm yang bahagian mana? Bahagian yang tempat cahaya masuk tu. Mungkin dia punya knob tu tertutup, ataupun you terlupa buka lampu. There's a spot in my viewing field. Even when I move the slide, the spot stays in the same place. Maksud dia, you tengok tu, you nampak ada bintik. Bila you gerak slide, bintik tu still remain. Okay, meaning that your lens is dirty lah. Cermin pula kantar tu kotor. Mungkin ada kulat ke something lah. Okay. So to remedy that, use lens paper and only lens paper to carefully clean the objective and ocular lens. The ocular lens can be removed to clean the inside. The spot is probably a speck of dust. Inilah. I can't see anything under high power. Okay. Remember the steps. If you can't focus under scanning and then low power, you won't able to focus anything at under high power. Start scanning and walk through the steps again. Only half of my viewing field is lit. It looks like there's a half moon in there. You probably don't have your yeti fully click on the place. Okay, untuk nombor 4 ni, bila you nak tukar objektif kan, make sure once you dah tukar objektif tu, dia bunyi click. Maksud dia objektif tu dah place kat tempat yang betul. Caring for a microscope. Clean with a soft cloth or tissue. Make sure it's on the flat surface, don't bang it. Carry with 2 hands. Okay. Like this. Macam ni. Okay, wish the best way to carry a microscope. A, B, or C, or D. Okay. Thank you.